Hey guys, Ali from Alta. How are you? Beautiful day here in sunny Utah. We're still in the middle of winter, having a record season in snowfall, which is awesome. But here's a fun fact Thursday for you. We're gonna start these because I think we need to send a message out. Did you know that any of our racks are convertible to the other ones? So if you start even with a lefty or a 3-pack, you can eventually end up with either an E-Quattro, a 45er, the Sanchez, or just a GPR rack that could be either 4, 5, or 6-pack. The entire system is modular in design and can be exchanged. So once you buy the basic structure, which is the hitch, the latch, and the vertical post, everything else can be added and deducted. Also, it allows you to switch between the racks, so most of the time if you're not going to run a 6-pack, you could just buy the lefty or the righty 3-pack and then have a compact 3-pack that you use all the time, and then on a rare occasion whip out that top bar and the bottom bar that are wider and get the baskets on, have your 4, 5, or 6-pack or in a full e-bike setup for your shuttling needs. Again, this is Fun Fact Thursday. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great day, you all.